Welcome back to the vlog. So I already had my breakfast, I had my coffee, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to talk like this. And now I'm just getting this return box ready. For those of you that don't know me yet, hi, my name is Saskia. I am not a morning person. I am originally from Austria. I now live in LA, California. I moved here 2 months ago to basically start my life all over again. I'm an actor and a voiceover artist, and that's what I moved here to LA for. So, hi, welcome to the party. I don't know how much tape I need for this box, but I just want to make sure that this doesn't open and I'm gonna get my money back. And for the rest of today, I have a phone call scheduled later today. I have to wash my hair. It's really greasy. I have to return some stuff to Target. I have to buy sunscreen. I'm going to this film meetup. It's from this German Film Association thing. So they have this film meetup tonight at the Wirtshaus. The place is literally called the Wirtshaus. It's a German restaurant. I'm expecting my period any day now. I'm really looking forward to it because I've been in a bit of a funky mood. I'm bloated. I'm not feeling too good about myself. I don't know what else is going to happen this week. I'm gonna play it by ear. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my apartment situation. I'm at this point now where like I'm gonna let go because it's just too early to do anything, and I don't really know what the next few months or even few weeks are going to look like for me. So I just need to calm down and breathe and enjoy that I have a roof over the top of my head and that I have friends and that I'm figuring it out. I have to clean this pan. It's a steel pan because I made pancakes and they kind of got stuck to it. And then the black stuff wouldn't go away. So this, it's now only here, but it was like all of this, all of it. And I couldn't clean it, like just with regular dishwasher soap, it wouldn't work. So then I remembered my mom telling me to put vinegar in it and baking soda. And I boiled that and it wouldn't do anything. So I had to redo it. And then I looked it up again on the internet. I just didn't use enough of it. Like it needs like 2 cups of vinegar and a full cup of baking soda. And I redid it again yesterday. I let it sit overnight and now it's starting to come off. Like all of this grease, I'm kind of bummed I didn't show you guys before because it's kind of satisfying. I'll never use that steel pan again for anything. It just scares me too much. I will only use like the coated ones, because there it's at least non-stick and you know it will go off. Like this crap, that's ridiculous. All I used, it was a bit of oil that I got too hot and it stuck to the pan and it left that mark. So stupid. How's your day going? I'm actually watching a YouTube video as I'm doing this, so maybe you can watch a YouTube video as you're scrubbing your own pan. I did it! Do you see? No more black spots. Whew. Thank you, Mommy. Look at that. What a clean looking pan this is. That's my sunburn, by the way. Can you guys see? I don't have it on this side. Of course you can see. Why am I asking a stupid question like that? I was just at the bank because I was just at the bank. I wanted to take a nap, but I can't. I have a bunch of errands to run, and I have to meet a bunch of German film people. I'm very excited about that. So yeah, this better fix my life. I returned all my items to Target. I got my sunscreen. I didn't get my after sun. They just didn't have any. So now I'll go to CVS. Off we are to the Wirtshaus. Wirtshaus? Is that how Americans say it? Off we are to the Wirtshaus. That's how I would say it. Yes, meet some German film people. Practice my German. Make sure I don't forget it so my mom doesn't have to yell at me. I'm not really in the mood to talk, which is maybe not good if I'm going to an industry mixer. And networking is just not my strong suit. I'm just gonna look at it as I'm an extroverted person. I need people around me. It gives me energy. And I'm just gonna look at it as that. Me getting some energy and maybe making some friends. Any other curly girls out there that are doing this? Am I the only one? Or I guess technically you don't have to be a curly girl. This is for if you want to reduce breakage or just, yeah, I think that's literally what it's for. Where's my hair? I look ridiculous! If this stays on overnight, like, I don't sleep in one position. I doubt this is going to stay on. You think this looks funny? What does this look like? I might have had a couple of beers and a very early dinner, so. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna sleep in this tonight. Let's be serious here. The industry mixer was fun. Since I'm now editing my vlog that will come out this week, I've just been watching myself, giving myself so many constraints. Like, making dinner, and as I'm making dinner, eating chips, and I'm like, I know I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm so hungry. I was just like, Saskia, stop. Just stop. I don't even realize how hard I am on myself. Watching this back, I'm just like, good God, stop giving yourself all these rules. Just live your goddamn life. And I think I can, you know, be good to myself and trust myself. Honestly, it's too early to be talking to you about this, or just to be talking in general. I went to that industry mixer yesterday. I had such a good time. It was so nice just to be out and about and to be like bickering with meet strangers. Like I do enjoy that stuff, to be honest. I don't care about the networking part. I just care about meeting new people, you know? Making new friends, maybe.